Hello, my dear friends. As a part of Indian culture, we are going to listening to the various places of cultural importance. So let's get started. Number 1. Madurai. The first thing that comes to our mind when we think of the cultural importance of Madurai is the Meenakshi Amman temple with its mandapas, pillars and the sculptures. There are some more temples dedicated to Vishnu and the Lord Shiva as well. It is located about 345 miles from Madras on the banks of the river Vaigai. It was the capital of the Pandyas and later of the Nayaks. Number 2. Rameshwaram. It is one of the important places of Hindu pilgrimage. This place is famous for the Ramalingeshwara temple with the longest corridor in the world. This town is located in Rameshwaram Island, 90 miles from Madurai. Number 3. Kanyakumari. The Kanyakumari temple and the Vivekananda Rock Memorial are here. This is the southernmost point of India where the Bay of Bengal, the Indian Ocean and the Arabian Sea meet together. Number 4. Khajuraho. The temples at Khajuraho epitomize the northern medieval style of Indian architecture. These temples are known for their sculpture, which is of very high technical quality, and the erotic sculpture at these temples is conspicuous. The temples are dedicated to Shiva, Vishnu and also the Jain saints. They were constructed between 950 AD and 1050 AD by Chandela Rajput rulers of Bundelkhand. Khajuraho is located in the Chhatarpur district of Madhya Pradesh. Most important among the temples here are Kandariya Mahadev Temple. Number 5. Konark. The famous Sun Temple is here. This temple, located on the sea coast, is a representation of the chariot of the sun god. Exterior of the temple is full of carvings, of which the erotic sculpture is prominent. This temple seems to have been constructed during the reign of Ganga ruler Narasimhadeva I is in Orissa state. Number 6. Bhubaneswar. Bhubaneswar is a city of temples dedicated to Shiva. These temples are characteristics of the medieval North Indian of Nagara style. The most important temple here is the Lingaraja temple with an elaborately carved 100 feet high tower. Number 7. Puri. Puri is an important center of Hindu pilgrimage. The famous Jagannath temple is here. Sankaracharya founded one of his regional schools of learning here. Number 8. Ellora Caves. Out of the 34 Ellora Caves, 12 are Buddhist, 17 are Hindu and the 6 are Jain caves. The Hindu caves are more lavishly decorated than others. Of these, the Kailasha temple is the most attractive. It is the biggest cave temple. It was made out of a single rock. Krishna I of Rashtrakutas was responsible for its construction. The Hindu caves are known for spaciousness of their dimensions and the skilled treatment of the facade and the interior. They were cut out of the rocks on the slope of a hill. They run from north to south over a stretch of a mile and a quarter. These are located 15 miles northwest of Aurangabad. Number 9. Ajanta Caves. These caves present a unique combination of painting, sculpture and architecture. These caves consist of chaityas and viharas which contain frescoes and the sculptures depicting scenes from Buddha's life. They were created over a period of time extending from 2nd century BC to about 7th century AD. The latest most probably came into existence about 642 AD. These are Buddhist caves which are located 66 miles to the north of Aurangabad in Maharashtra. Number 10. Elephanta Caves. These caves are famous for their sculpture. They were dedicated to Lord Shiva and the sculpture shows the god in many forms. The three-headed figure of Shiva at Elephanta is considered as one of the world's most impressive sculptures of its size, beauty, and execution. These caves are located on Elephanta Island, 6 miles from Bombay Harbour. Number 11. Mahabalipuram. Mahabalipuram is famous for the 5 Rathas. Each of them was carved out of a single rock. They came into existence during the reign of the Greater Pallavas. It is located 32 miles south of Madras. Number 12. Kanchi. There are several temples in this town. Prominent of these temples are Kailashnath, Vaikunta Perumal, Ekambareshwar, and Varadaraja Perumal. The town is divided into 3 parts: Siva Kanjivaram, Vishnu Kanjivaram, and Pillayar Palliyam, reflecting the role played by the main sects of Hinduism in the history of the city. It is located 45 miles southwest of Madras. Number 13. Sanchi. Sanchi is known for stupas and Gupta temple. These stupas were constructed during different periods of history. Stupa number 1 is the best of all the stupas. The core in this stupa was built by Ashoka, but enlarged during the rule of the Sungas. It has 4 magnificent gateways joined together by an outer railing. The southern gate, the oldest, was erected by the Sungas in the latter half of the 4th century BC. The other gateways were erected by the Satavahanas. The stories about Buddha are carved on the gateways. The stupa number 2 and stupa number 3 were built in the Sangam period. Sanchi is located 26 miles northeast of Bhopal. Number 14. Sarnath. Sarnath is famous for the Ashokan pillar with the capital consisting of 4 lines and the wheel of La. It is one of the 8 important places of pilgrimage for Buddhists. The Deer Park, where the Buddha preached his first sermon after attaining the enlightenment, is here. It is located 4 miles north of Varanasi. And number 15. Nalanda. A famous Mahayana Buddhist university flourished here between 425 to 1025 AD. Even Hinayana Buddhism and Brahmanism were also taught here. Course of study included many subjects, including secular ones. The university had 3 large libraries. Foreigners visited Nalanda to copy rare manuscripts. Students from the India and abroad studied at Nalanda. Chinese pilgrims Huyanzheng and Itzing studied at this university. It was founded by Buddhagupta of the Guptas in the first part of the 5th century AD. When Muhammad Bakhtiyar Khilji invaded Bihar at the end of the 12th century, the Buddhist monks fled and Nalanda was abandoned. It is located 88 kilometers southeast of Patna. And number 16. Vallabi. A famous Hinayana Buddhist university flourished here between 600 to 1200 AD. Brahmanism was also taught here. Apart from religious education, various subjects like political science, law, and economics were taught. During 7th century AD, about 6,000 students were studying here. Maitrika, rulers of Vallabi, rich merchants and noblemen gave a financial support. It is located in eastern Kathiawar, 18 kilometers from the town of Valla in Bhavnagar. And number 17. Vikramashila, a Buddhist university which offered a wide variety of subjects, existed here between 800 to 1200 AD. It was situated in northern Magadha on the banks of the Ganga. Number 18. Agra. It is world famous for the Taj Mahal, a museum built by Shah Jahan between 1630 and 1652 in pure white marbles in memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal. Other notable structures of architectural importance here are the Fort of Akbar and many buildings in it, including Jahangir Mahal, Modi Masjid and Jama Masjid built by Shah Jahan, the tomb of Itmaduddaulah, the father of Nur Jahan, etc. The city was founded by Sikandar Lodi and served as the capital of the Lodis. Under the Mughals, it served as the second capital, the first being Delhi. It is situated on the banks of river Yamuna, about 125 miles from Delhi. Number 19. Ahmedabad. It ranks high among the cities of India for its architectural remains. It has place mosques and tombs representing the Gujarati style of architecture at its best. For example, the Jama Masjid, completed in 1432, is one of the most beautiful mosques in the East. Other important constructions are the Teen Darwaza, which means three gateways, Siddhi Said's Masjid, the Rani Sipri Mosque, etc. Founded in 1411, it stands on the river Sabarmati in Gujarat. Number 20. Aihole. This ancient city of temples has many as 70 temples in and around it. The most important of them being the Ladakhan, Durga and Kon temples. All these temples, built by the early Chalukyas, represent the Deccan or Vesana style of architecture. Aihole is also famous for Prasasti of Pulakesin II, composed by Ravikirti. It is situated in the Bijapur district of Karnataka.